Hare Krishna everyone. Welcome to the Krsnatarian way of cooking channel. So today I'm going to share with you another corn recipe. Now this recipe was strongly recommended by my sister and the recipe was also shared by her. This is a delicious snack recipe which is a street food recipe actually available on the Mumbai hill stations, and this recipe is a perfect fit for evening snack time. If you are health conscious, then either you can bake or air fry this, but to maintain the authenticity of its flavor, I'm going to show you the original method how to do it. So first you have to wash this corn kernels very nicely, and once you have washed it in this manner, you'll see some moisture on it. So this is the way we want this corn kernels. I'm going to put this corn kernels in a bowl. This is nearly 4 cups of corn kernels I'm using. Always make sure to use sweet corn only. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of red chili powder, a teaspoon of turmeric powder, then a tablespoon of coriander cumin seed powder. Then I'm going to add nearly 1 tablespoon of salt to it. So as soon as you add the salt, you mix it everything well, because the salt releases water due to the hypotonic environment. After this, I'm going to finely chop 6 to 7 chilies, green chilies, and then I'm going to add that inside this mixture, and then I'm going to again mix it nicely. Now I'll show you how the entire mixture has this little bit of moisture to it. This is because of the salt. So you do not need to add any extra water to it while binding it. So now I'm going to add nearly 1.5 tablespoons of cornstarch, and I will mix this mixture well. After doing that, I'm going to add nearly a cup of chickpea flour, chana flour. What I will be doing is not adding everything at once. I will try adding 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons at a time, and then I'll mix it to check on the moisture. So this is how we want our mixture to look like. So now what I'm going to do is heat oil in a wok, and I want to make sure that the oil is between medium to high, not extremely high, otherwise our corn will turn right away brownish black, which we don't want it. We want to make sure that everything is cooked well. So I'm going to check with 1 corn kernel, so it right away just comes up. So I'm going to start putting the corn kernels one by one like this. We have to spread the corn kernels separately like this so that they fry in batches in this manner. First batch I'm going to take very less quantity just to check whether the oil is hot nicely or not. So here you see that my corn kernels have turned golden brown. So this is the kind of thing we want. And did you see that puff? So that is actually because if there is even a little bit of extra moisture, then the corn kernels will start popping out of the oil, which is not very good. Like, it can be dangerous. So make sure that you fry them pretty quick and don't keep the mixture for too long. Now I will start frying these corn kernels in larger quantities, because now I know that the oil is perfectly hot for it. So make sure that the heat is between medium to high, not extremely high. And I have to cook one side and then flip it to the other side like that. Just turn it and then see whether the kernels are turning golden brown. And once they turn golden brown, then I will remove it batches by batches. This entire process of preparation and frying took me nearly 30 minutes. So this is a perfect snack time recipe for everyone. Even kids will love it. The frying and the chickpea flour reduces the power of the spiciness in it, so you do not have to worry for it to be very spicy. I hope you like this quick bhajiya recipe of corn. Now this preparation is done, so I will be placing a tulsi leaf on it and offering it the lotus feet of Shri Krishna. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.